Hello, yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with one more interesting video, and this video is about the smoky eyes. In winters, we girls are fond of black, and smoky eyes, oh my god, very good on it. So sometime we try smoky eyes, but the result is something else. So today I'll be telling you like how you can give a neat look to your smoky eyes. Just a 4 step. You need just these things. What are these? This is a kajal. I am here using a faces kajal, and this is a eyeshadow palette. I'll use black and gray. Yeah, you can use any palette. And this is a mascara, and this is a only with one brush. Yeah, so let's start with the topic. So first of all, I'll take a kajal. Yeah, and I'll close my eyes and just apply kajal to my eyes in uneven way, like this. Yeah, so once you apply this in uneven way, oh my god, what ridiculous it is. So now you have to smudge it with the help of this kind of brush. This is of the MAC. You can take off any brand, MAC, Vega. Yeah, so yeah, I'll stretch it and just below my crease, this is my crease line, and I am smudging it. Yeah, so yeah, I smudged this kajal. Yeah, and now I'll be using black from this palette and this gray from this palette. So first of all, to the outer corner I'll be using the black, and to the inner corner I'll be using the gray. Yeah, so yeah, here I'm using black. Now you have to give a finish to your crease line. To this portion only, till half of the eye you need to have a dark, and as you go to the inner side you need to take a gray, or you can use brown. It depends on your choice, because if you apply whole to the inner, means dark, it will give a very dark look which will not look nice. So yeah, so after then just smudge it all to your eye and just do like in swiping motion, just 10 to 15 times. Yeah, so yeah, see, you can see, and same I'll repeat on the other eye. Yes, see, so I have applied a kajal in uneven tone, and now I'll start smudging it all around my eye below my crease, please remember, and just do it like this. It just only take 5 to 10 minutes to do this kind of eye makeup, and really it look very amazing. Yeah, so I have smudged it, and now I'll be using again a black to my outer corner. Yeah, just give finish to your crease line, and now a gray one to the inner corner. And when you apply to the inner corner, just smudge all around your eye to give a equal texture. Yeah, so now it is complete on the above, and now it's a turn to below. So for below, what you need to do is you have to take a black from here and just do it to the only ends, and same on the other. Then you need to take a gray one and just to the inner side. Yeah, so after doing this, just take a mascara and just give a very nice effect to your eyelashes, because once you enhance your eyelashes, your eyes become large and very thick, and to the lower lash line also. Yeah, so I applied mascara to my both upper and the lower lash, and I'll repeat the same on the other eye. Yeah, it depends on you how much you want, how volumized you want the lashes. You can repeat the coat as many times. So yeah, so yeah, I did the look, and this look is completed. And see, my today outfit is whole black, and smoky eye goes very good on it. Yeah, so guys, this was my means 4 steps which I do whenever I do the smoky eyes, and it's very easy and simple for me. So I do also recommend you all to try this, and please tell me in the comment section below if you have tried, and how was your experience. Was it helpful or not? Yeah, and was it easy for you? So please tell me in the comment section below. I'll waiting for your comments. Yeah, and please friends, stay connected with me. Yeah, I'll be posting many more videos, many more updates to you. Yeah, and yeah, this channel would be very, 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 very amazing. Yeah, so I'll be coming soon with more tips and tricks. Yeah, so please like my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and for more updates please don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.